In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use pages on Squarespace. Whether you're new to Squarespace or a seasoned web designer, managing the pages on your website is a fundamental skill that will help keep your site organized and navigable. Squarespace, known for its sleek design and user-friendly interface, makes this task accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical skill level. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Squarespace homepage. Once there, you'll see a variety of options. But for now, your focus should be on logging into your account. Look for the login button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the login portal. Squarespace offers a few different methods for logging in, but for simplicity and speed, let's use the Continue with Google option. This allows you to use your Google account credentials, bypassing the need to remember another password. Click on Continue with Google, and then select the Google account you would like to use. If you have more than one, make sure to choose the one that is associated with your Squarespace site. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to access your website. You might be redirected to your Squarespace dashboard automatically. If not, don't worry. Simply look for a section titled My Sites or a similar variation and click on the specific website you wish to edit. This will take you to your site's backend. Now, to get to the heart of today's tutorial, managing your pages, on your site's dashboard, locate and click the Pages option. This is usually represented by an icon resembling two stacked sheets of paper. This action will reveal all the pages currently on your website displayed in a sidebar menu. Operating within this menu, you'll notice that managing your pages is quite intuitive. Want to rearrange the order in which your pages appear? Simply click and drag a page to its new position. It's a straightforward way to prioritize the pages on your site, ensuring visitors see the most important content first. Additionally, as your website evolves, you may find the need to delete obsolete or unused pages. Squarespace makes this process painless. If you hover over the page you wish to remove, a small trash can icon will appear. Clicking this icon will prompt you to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the page will be deleted from your website. And that's essentially it. With these simple steps, you've just learned how to effectively manage the pages on your Squarespace website. Remember, a well-organized website is crucial for providing a pleasant user experience. So feel free to revisit your pages section regularly as your site grows and changes. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next tutorial.